Break from YouTube. Oh. Oh. Dude, this is a good one.
I just caught this freaking fat mama.
Guys. Grab them. Look at that, guys. Look at that, guys. Oh, guys, it's a. Look at that. Alright, guys, FWT here. We're at the lake. It's currently. Let's get the accurate time. 5:31. A week ago we came with Toby. That was last video. I'm taking a little break from YouTube, so that would have been 3 weeks ago. But yeah, we're at the lake, 5:30. Sun doesn't come up yet. There's a lot of grass. When it came last time, I figured out that they're on the drop shot bites. So yeah, I'm gonna try and get a fish on my crankbait rod, my new one. I'll show you guys later. But for now, the boat up, and I'll see you guys when we're off. Wow. Wow. First fish is a giant green sunfish. Holy crap. See how big it is. About 8.5. Put it back. There it goes. Got one. Oh, it's a nice one. It's a nice one. Oh yeah. Get it. Yeah! It's my first fish on my new cranking rod. Oh yeah. Ow. That is a beauty. First fish on my new cranking rod, my favorite. Oh, look at that fat boy. It's a nice one. Oh, my first bass of the day. Let's go. It's a fat boy on my new favorite Phantom cranking rod. That was on one of the baits that I got in the MTB. It's like the Carl's crankbait. Oh, dang it. Oh. There's still out. What the heck? Is that a fish? Oh, that's a fish. Yes. I thought that was weeds. Oh yeah, guys. This might become my new favorite crankbait. Ah! Oh, that was in the drop shots, just in the trees. Dang, these things like to move. Oh yeah, I thought that was a bigger one, but let's get him back.
That's what I had.
Okay, you know what I'm gonna do now? I'm gonna put on a bait that I got from the MTB. I think I'm gonna make this an MTB video. Oh, dang it. My bait fell out.
That's your favorite one.
Well, that was on the big bite baits. There you go. Another one. I was on the big bite baits in the MTB. I wacky rigged it. So that's 2 baits down. I'm gonna catch another one on this and prove to you that I caught it on this bait because it flew off. Well, got another one, and proof that was on the big bite bait. Right in this package. Kind of like it though. Okay, guys, I got the diesel football head jig tied on. Got it in the MTV box, and I paired it up with I think it's a 10,000 fish. I don't know, let's just call it a craw. So if I catch a fish in this, it'll be 2 baits in one. Dang it, I had a bite. I had one. Clear in there. Yeah, I guess I'll just crawl along the bank right here. There's some rocks and sand. Pretty much what a football jig is for. Just crawling on the bottom.
Win another pole for mine. I have a medium raw now.
Oh yeah. On the jig. Oh.
Oh,
Yes. Well, I just knocked off 2 baits. That might be like my 3rd ever on a jig. Oh, that hook popped right out. On that. You good, got another one. Right out in the open. See that? Dang it, I tried to throw you back. Okay, okay, come on. Time to go back. This is a good one. You can get in some grass also. Yeah, another big one. Cast it clear out there. Whew. Holy crap. Holy crap. On a little drop shot. Look at all this grass. Oh, it's almost 18. Holy crap. It's gotta be 3.5. Oh yeah, I got some big engine there. I put some custom coloring on it with a garlic marker. Looks like it's bleeding in the water. Heck yeah. 18, that's gotta be 3.5 pounder. I was thinking that was a 5, but with all the weeds, that's what made it seem big. Well, I saw The white belly.
What garlic bread.
Come and hurry and get it. Swiped at it. I don't think he got it the first time, but then I just gave it some slack. There we go. There goes. Oh, bow flip, bow flip. Yeah.
Oh, my bait wrong.
Oh. Lip hooked him. Jeez. Oh, yeah.
Finally at
Oh,
last.
that's kind of a good one. Your dad's first fish on the drop shot ever.
My first fish on a swim bait.
Ah. One fish. My cranking rod, so that's the third one. And that Carl's bait, crankbait. I can definitely scratch this one off the list. And I'm gonna scratch the jig off the list with the trailer, and then the stickies hooks, and the big bite baits. Alright, now I'm throwing the swim bait head with the swim bait. This one that smells like black licorice, which is probably anise flavor, color, whatever you want to call it. And then a mustard hook and jig head. And then after this, all I have left is the one knocker. I think that's what it's called.
You hit it right there.
Oh, we got a perch. Oh, it's another perch.
Oh my goodness.
We might have just found the perch school. That's a nice perch though. I feel like this swim bait is going to be the hardest bait in the box. But I'm pretty sure we can finish it today. Get a video out for you guys. I don't know. I'll probably go 2 weeks without uploading. I'm taking a little break from YouTube. Oh! Oh! Oh yeah. Oh, there's two.
There's another one, yay.
Oh, there's two of them. There's two of them. Dang it. Get him. Right when I was talking about not uploading to YouTube, got that one. And we have one bait left. Right when I was reeling it in, you guys might have saw it. One about the same size was right behind it. It was like touching it. Check out this sexy new rod. Phantom favorite. Oh yeah, you can see the design in there. The Phantoms have weird, or I shouldn't call it weird, it's kind of cool, like graphics inside, styles, whatever you want to call it. It's also on my flipping rod, which is also a Phantom, but super cool. It has cork grips, some kind of cork, I don't know. I really like the way that the reel is sealed on there, and the reel seat. And then got a hook keeper. Yeah, 7'4". Medium heavy, 3/8 to 1.5 ounce. Phantom cranking fat glass. So there's some kind of glass in this rod. Guess it's supposed to help with crankbaits and stuff, the moderate action. I don't know, but I really like this rod so far. That was back when I didn't use leaders and I caught less fish. When you use fluorocarbon leaders, you catch more fish. If you've been watching my videos lately, you probably noticed that I've been catching way more fish than I normally do, and that's because I'm using fluorocarbon now. Fluorocarbon leaders and straight fluorocarbon.
Eat it not this time.
mature bluegill. You know what I'm talking about.
I'll have a map.
Still have bait again. It's like the third cast in a row that I've lost my bait. Oh, got another one. It's a baby. Hey, cool to have this one as a pet. Oh, there we go. He was straight under me. And guess what that was on? Ned rig bait thingy. Heck yeah.
Hold up. Woohoo! Okay, get that boat out first. I'll hold your pole.
Literally cast it right in front of me. Literally right there. And a big one. Took it immediately. Set the hook. My drag is loose on the drop shots. Took me in the weeds, but we got it. We got it. Yeah, buddy. It's another giant. Oh yeah, lip hooked right there. Hooked him in the hard part of the mouth, and I just broke the hook. Dang. Well, that hook lasted a bunch of fish. Oh yeah, man. Heck yeah. Woo! Caught,
Oh, better. Oh, maybe I'll get that.
caught another one. In shallow water. Ow, ow, ow. Ow. Look at that. Little baby. Whee! On the Ned rig. Worm. Hooked on a drop shot. Because, ow, ow. I'm running out of my go-to drop shot baits. Dang. I saw a bass come right up for it. And then I guess I hooked this perch. But hey, new species. The second species of the day on the drop shot. Well, the whole day. But, ow! Caught her on the drop shot. But hey, they kind of look like peacock bass. Ow, ow. They're like cousins of walleyes, which you can easily see it, the resemblance of them in their fins and stuff. They're like colorful walleye. Alright guys, I only want 5 biggest in the live well, so we're gonna call this one out. Barely 12. This one's also barely 12. Come on. Okay, he swims off. Okay, looks like this one's a little shorter. Get that one back. Oh, that one swam right off. Got a clean camera lens. It's always really important. Clean it, or else you'll have like smears on it and it won't really look that good. It'll look like cloudy. Alright guys, got some big ones in here. That one's 3 pounds 6 ounces, that one's 210, that one's 2.6 or 7. And then those two are like one, I don't know. I'll put them up on the screen at the end after I say all their names. Because I'm going to name them and then put them on the scoreboard at the end. And I'll also put the length as well. So, here we go. Let's get a quick thumbnail. Oh, that one went back. And, oh, this one not strong. That's always good. Okay. Big boy, look at that mouth. Oh yeah. Let's get a quick thumbnail of that. Maybe some sun in there. And this one back. Okay, there that one goes. That last one is Barbara. Get a thumbnail of that. Okay. So that last one was Barbara. This one can be Betty. See you, Betty. And then this one is Buford. Buford and Homer are always the big ones. So, here we go. Here goes Buford. Oh yeah. See you, Buford. Thank you for your fight. I think Buford was the one that got stuck in the weeds, or the one that I caught up really shallow on the drop shot. I don't know. All my big fish caught were on the drop shot, except for I think 2 on the crankbait. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to go watch my last video. It was me and Toby in the boat here at Mantua, which is where we're at right now. And we caught a lot of them on drop shots and stuff, but today we slayed them even more. But yeah, so go watch Toby's video. I'll link it up here, maybe, I don't know. But go watch the last video as well. I'll link it right here. So thank you guys for watching, and see ya.